In this video, I'll show you how to shoot slow motion on your DJI Pocket 3. So you've recently bought the DJI Pocket 3 and you've noticed the maximum frame rate here is 60 and you're wondering how to shoot slow motion. Then let me tell you how to do that. So to shoot slow motion on your DJI Pocket 3, you want to first go ahead and start your gimbal up. Next, you want to tap on this mode option here at the bottom left. Now from here, you want to go ahead and swipe left until you see slow-mo. Make sure you select that. And now here at the bottom, you get more options. So let's swipe up to see different recording resolution and speed. So here we've got 1080p, 2.7 and 4K. Now in 4K, you've got 120 frames per second or you got 100 frames per second. So to shoot slow motion on your DJI Pocket 3, you want to go ahead and select the 120 speed and this will get you 4K in 120 frames per second. So let's go ahead and set that resolution and speed. And now we'll go ahead and press the record button. Now once I've recorded, let's go ahead and play back that clip. And there you go, it has recorded that in slow motion. So let's try in 1080p and at the speed of 240 frames per second. And there you go. That is recorded at 240 frames per second at 1080p resolution. Just a note, in slow motion mode, no sound is being recorded. And there you go, that is how to shoot slow motion on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.